What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited to show you this unit by LUVME Hair. I'm excited because there are so many goodies. First of all, in the box, first of all, how cute is the box? And then also I'm going to be doing 4 hairstyles with the wig. So let me show you what came in my box. I am so impressed with the quality and just the attention to detail. So in this box you have 2 kind of packages. First, you have the actual hair. I'm going to show you the hair later. I first want to show you what comes in the box. It is so nicely like wrapped up, and I'm so spoiled, you guys. They gave me so many headbands. If you purchase hair from LUVME Hair, please expect them to give you so much quality, so much attention to detail, so much stuff. So first, they gave me all of these different headbands. I am going to be showing you guys a headband wig. So with each hairstyle, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to pair it with each different headband. And I absolutely love this nude one. It's so cute. And then they also gave me just a pack of bobby pins. These always come in handy, and I could have used these for my bun actually. But then they also gave me this really nice zip bag. I could put literally anything and reuse this thing. But first they gave me a head wrap thing. So when you lay your lace, basically you use this to just secure your lace and let it lay down. And then they also gave me an elastic band, which always comes in handy, especially because a lot of the time wigs are really big. How cute is this LUVME a little clip? And then they also gave me more bobby pins, and I just love how their name is literally on everything. Everything is so branded. They gave me a edge brush, and on these tweezers literally the words LUVME Hair are on there, like love me. It's so cool. Like they gave it so much thought, so much attention to detail. I absolutely love that, and I can always use that carrier for anything else. And then they also gifted me with wig caps. So if you are just looking to get spoiled, girl, definitely pick up LUVME Hair. They also gave like an info template type of pamphlet, and it basically has all the details you need for anything you might need for the wig. And yeah, that is basically all that was there. And then I'm going to show you guys the actual units. It also came in this separate bag. I just love the attention to detail. I'm a sucker for good packaging. And then yeah, this is how the wig came. So it is a 20-inch WATERWAVE wig, but it is a headband wig, right? All the details will be in the description box, guys, but this is how a headband wig is basically attached to the band. There's no lace anywhere in this wig. This is the inside of the wig, and it's got like a Velcro strip at the back, and it's perfect because it's a bit longer. I was so impressed with how the Velcro strip was longer, and it made for a much more secure fit. And I just love how the tracks were sewn on there. Such good quality. You can see that there is just so much attention to detail. There aren't any adjustable straps, but they are like combs in the wig, so you can use that to secure it. And I'm going to show you now the 4 hairstyles that I could use as options for a headband wig. So the first one, I wanted to show you the hair in like a detangled natural state. So what I'm going to do for the side part is basically just split the hair and then rake through it with my hands. You don't need to do too much, especially because I didn't want the hair to be too poofy, so I didn't want to comb it out with a comb. I just wanted to use my hands and some mousse. So if you want a nice defined curl, I really do recommend this Khay mousse. It's really good, and all I'm really going to do is use that to rake through my hair. And this is the curl pattern. It is beautiful. I absolutely love WATERWAVE hair any time of the year, and especially for now with the headband wig, I just think it's so convenient. I feel like it's just a throw on and go type of wig if you're running errands, anything like that. I absolutely love my headband wigs, and now I'm just going to use a white headband to kind of zhuzh this look up and really just make it look nice and put together. I like the headbands that they gave me because even when I'm just going out or running errands or anything quick, I can just use this to make it look put together. And yeah, this is how I wanted to show you guys the curl pattern. It is beautiful. It is really shiny, and I just love the look. It is very, very beautiful. And just to tame any curls and flyaways, I'm going in with that mousse again. And yeah, in the comment section, let me know which of the 4 hairstyles you like. This is the first one, and it's the side part, and I just wanted to show it to you guys because the curl pattern is so beautiful. I wanted to show it off. And then the next hairstyle I want to do is something that I see myself doing on very busy days where I don't have time to rake through the hair and comb through it or anything like that, or detangle. And it's the low ponytail. I'm going to basically just take a hair tie and really secure it down and pull the hair and then just fluff out the bottom. I really wanted the bottom to be nice and fluffy, and I'm taking the headband, the one that comes on the wig, and folding it in half because I don't want it to show through this cute little headband that they gave me. I love the pearls. I love the nude. I think it's so cute, and I like this hair because it just looks very natural. Like once the headband is on there, it just looks really good. So I'm taking that mousse and just zhuzhing up and, you know, taming flyaways and all of that. And then this is the second look. This is the low ponytail. I'm obsessed with this. This is personally one of my favorites. When I do this hairstyle again, I am going to kind of move the ponytail to the side, but I wanted to show it to you at the back. Literally, it looks so good. You cannot see any tracks, nothing like that. Everything is nice and hidden, especially with the headband. Everything is nice and secure, and just everything is in place. And then the third hairstyle is the messy bun. I wanted to do a messy bun instead of like a very, you know, structured bun, because with headband wigs, normally you're wearing them because, you know, you're having a lazy day or you're running errands. And I did want to just show you guys options for those days where you know you're lazy but you still want to look cute, you know what I'm saying? So this is really nice because there are combs on the perimeter of the hair, so you can just secure it down nicely. It won't move, and it's very secure. And I used this very cute polka dot headband for this because I just thought it was a really cute everyday type of look. So this is very chill, and what I really love about LUVME hair, not only do I feel that the company itself gives a lot of attention to detail and a lot of thought to their products, but the hair is very silky. It's very smooth. I can see myself keeping this hair for a very long time. So because it's something that I can see myself using on busy days, I want to be able to keep it for a long time. And yeah, this is the messy bun, guys. And you know, if you basically want to secure anything, you can use the bobby pins that they gave you in the pack. So yeah. And then for the fourth look, I wanted to do like a very simple half up, half down situation. So it's very straightforward and straight to the point. Like I was saying, it's basically just zhuzhing up very easy hairstyles. So if you guys are interested in this hair, I do recommend getting this hair short. I like the look. I do have a longer headband wig, but I just find that this one is just way more convenient, so much more wearable. And yeah, if you want to get this wig, then definitely go into my description box. I will have the link to the LUVME hair website, and I will also have the direct link to this particular wig because I really do recommend it, and I think that it is just so convenient for the summer when you're up and down. And I recommend it because I'm a busy girl, and I know that you guys are too, and this is just busy girl friendly. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.